Alrighty, so next we are going to disconnect the wiper motor from the arms here and see if there's anything bound up in these little gear hubs. So we just, I believe, have this clip to push off. There we go. And all it is a little clip that goes over through a groove and is retaining. And there we go, we got that disconnected, and that moves relatively freely. I mean, it moves easy enough, but I think I probably should take it apart and check to make sure it's got enough lube in there. Alrighty, so we know that part is good. Now it's a motor. So let's see. We'll take that off. And we just pull that out. So here's our assembly. Working fine. Now we've got our motor. And I imagine it's gear reduction. Alrighty, guess we see what's behind this sucker. Although I will say, you know, here's our connections. Green wire here, black wire motor tied together with the black from the switch. The other black motor goes to here with the other red wire from the switch. And this looks like it could be some, this looks like it could be something that turns with gears inside here and maybe tells it when to reverse operation, but not 100% sure. Hopefully it's not too complicated in here. And I don't mess it up. So there's a ground wire that came off of was originally disconnected. I'll have to reconnect that. Maybe a little spring loaded in here. So we're gonna be careful. All right, there's our clip that holds the wires in place. Put that back up there. Okay. Looks carefully. Remove that. Alrighty, so here's what we've got. So those two spring pieces, you know, those are the powered pieces, and they ride on this in here, which all seems good. Yeah. And then we've got that where the spring rides on that big section. Looks like there's a gap there. So I bet you that's when it reverses. Alrighty, so that all looks good. I mean, technically, I don't think there's any reason this shouldn't work. So, let's get this put back together. And yes, this really didn't go to anything. It's just mounted to the outside because there was nothing on the back side. So nothing turns or rotates, whatever that is. Ground wire back on. Alrighty, so like I said, brushes looked good. There's still plenty of grease in there. The teeth don't look broken. Looks like it's still making good connections on the wheel inside with the springs from this. Technically, there's no reason it shouldn't work unless there's something wrong with the switch, but again, I don't know how that's supposed to go. So, let's see here. I'll just put that there. And actually, hot is black. Couldn't imagine. Yeah, let's put this. Let's try it with a battery. We'll move that. Alrighty. So, attempt. Alrighty, we'll hook our ground up to there, I guess. We'll take our power. And feed the switch. Oh, there we go. All right, you see that, guys? Does work, but it doesn't shut off, and the switch is pushed in. Oop, that did go faster. Okay, let's just put that on. Push it in again, really no difference. Okay, first, all the way to first position, and it slowed down. So slow, faster, no difference. I wonder if that third position is what activates maybe the washer fluid, because I haven't found a switch for that, so maybe that's integrated. Of course, pushing it in all the way is not stopped as we feed power to it, so not sure about that. But the W position had power when it was pulled all the way out, and there was nothing on that. So I wonder if that black wire with that red bundle powers the washer fluid. That might be my guess, but I don't know why it's not shut off with the switch in, because it should be. Well, I guess the wipers do work. Just gotta figure out why they weren't working in the car. Alrighty guys, that's just a little breakdown of something about the wipers anyways. We'll catch you guys later.